Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Decatur County, southeastern Bartholomew County, northeastern Jackson County, Jennings County, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Seymour, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Vernon, Westport, Elizabethtown, Hayden, Azalea, Country Squire Lakes, Butlerville, Grammar, and Nebraska. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 53 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central, south central, and southeastern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, Jackson, and Jennings.